So, what's the difference between sales and marketing? And more importantly, why should you care? Well, that's the topic of today's video. Hi, I'm Dave D, and this is the video series that helps you get more customers, clients, or patients by using proven sales strategies. Hello there and welcome. Now, before we dive in, make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so you continue to get these videos. Also, please click the thumbs up to make it easier for other folks just like you to find this content. So let's talk about the difference between sales and marketing and why it matters. The truth is, both are equally important. Marketing is the process of turning leads, getting leads into your business and turning those leads into prospects by getting them to schedule an appointment, a consultation, a strategy session, a blueprint session, whatever you call it. Sales is when you take that prospect and close them and turn them into a client. Now, the beautiful thing about marketing is marketing done properly can set up the sale and make the sale much easier. But it doesn't mean that selling isn't important. There's a lot of gurus out there that'll tell you that, if you just have good marketing, you don't need to sell. I'm sorry, that's just not the case. Let me give you a personal example. Way back in the day, about 30 years ago, when I was a struggling professional magician, I got really good at marketing. I was using direct response marketing, and people were calling me up to inquire about booking my services. And I was really excited about this. The phone was ringing for the first time ever. But then I quickly got depressed. And the reason I got depressed was I wasn't turning any of these prospects who were calling me into clients. And I couldn't figure out why. My marketing was good. They were interested. How come I wasn't converting them? And the reason was I didn't have a sales process in place. It wasn't until that I combined really good marketing to bring in qualified prospects, then really good closing to sell the prospects and turn them into clients, that everything changed for me. And once I made that combination, everything did change for me. I went from doing 3 shows a month to averaging 25 shows a month in less than 90 days. In my 4th month, I did 57 shows. Now, it wasn't just because of the marketing, and it wasn't just because of the selling. It was the combination of both. So that's why learning both is so important to you. So you want your marketing to bring in qualified leads that turn into prospects, meaning appointments. And then you want to have a rock solid sales process to turn those prospects into clients. When you have that combination, your sales, your profits will explode. Now, the fact is that your marketing should pre-sell you and your service. And that's how your marketing can make closing easier. You see, if you've got marketing that gets people to know you, like you, trust you, and consider you to be the authority and the expert in your target market, once they call you, well, obviously closing becomes a lot easier. And so you want to set up your marketing to pre-sell your service before someone ever talks to you. And then once you get them on the phone, via Zoom, in person, doesn't really matter, then you want to follow a proven sales process on how to close them. And in a future video, we'll go over that proven 4-step sales process, which helps you close more sales almost as if by magic. As always, I love to get your feedback and your opinion in the comments section below, and I do read all of the comments, so please feel free to comment below. Also, if you're not getting my daily email tips all about increasing your sales and profits, go to salesespresso.com, and subscribe for free. And finally, you want to check out this video right here because it's got some more useful content that'll help you get more customers, clients, or patients.